How to change the long press of your power button to either access the assistant or turn off your phone, accessing the power off menu. This is for the Poco X7 Pro phone here, and let's get started. To do this, go ahead into the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you're in this area here, the fastest way to this feature is using the search option. Type in the words power off. And as you start typing it, it's going to show you a suggestion here, which is going to be part of the power off or reboot option here. As you go into it here, it's going to take you straight to where you need to go. And now that you're here, you'll notice that there's two options. At default, it'll be the one where you hold down the up and the power button to get access to the power off menu. But if you just simply want to do it like the good old way where you hold down the power button like this here and you get this, then you want to switch to this option here. So by holding down your power button now with this option here, you'll be taken to the power off menu. And if you've been looking for that there, then like and sub.